Introducing the RemoteLock, unlocking the door to a world of possibilities. RemoteLock is the first Wi-Fi keypad lock allowing you to control access to your home from wherever you happen to be. Our deadbolt and lever locks connect to the internet through your existing Wi-Fi router. Remote locks are designed to replace your current deadbolt or lever, making it easy for the do-it-yourselfer to install. Once connected, access to your home can be monitored and controlled remotely from any web-enabled computer, tablet, or smartphone.
We developed the smartest remote-controlled door lock ever. Just like the convenience that cell phones brought to our lives, once you've used RemoteLock, you'll be amazed at what you've been missing.
Ever had the nagging feeling you forgot to lock your door on the way out? No problem. Check the status of the lock from your phone, and if needed, lock it remotely. The RemoteLock is perfect for families with kids. No longer worry about lost keys and receive text alerts so you can be sure they made it home safely. Even let your neighbors in to feed the pets when you're on vacation. The RemoteLock features a low-powered Wi-Fi technology that allows the batteries to last for over a year with typical usage. The lock also features bank-level security, making our locks not only convenient, but secure as well. The keypad on the RemoteLock allows you to leave your home without carrying anything. This means no keys and no phones needed. This is perfect for going on a jog or taking the dog for a walk.
RemoteLock has features you've never seen in a door lock. Our temporary access codes allow you to provide people with limited access.
For example, give your cleaning person a code that only works on Wednesdays. Or give your nanny a code that only works on weekdays from 9 to 5. Instead of waiting around for your plumber to show, issue them a code that will only work once. If you have a rental property, you won't find a better lock to control guest access. Provide codes that only work for the duration of their stay. RemoteLock features native apps for the iPhone, Android, and mobile browsers, so you can control your lock from any smartphone. RemoteLock. Open the door to the possibilities.